Hi, we are from group number 6 and now we are evaluate our product how to use our Python programming. And these our group members.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SITI AMANINA 38, Nometric CF210298. I want to talk about introduction. Develop a Python program to calculate and identify the internal force and reaction force in the members of truss. The problem is manual calculation could be time consuming and error prone. The solution is this program can benefit the theory of internal force and the principle of static equilibrium. The benefit is easy to apply in developing a software, quick and accurate result, easy to learn beam behavior and stability. The Python program is a flexible program because it can be used in all systems. Robust error handling, handling parameter, point load, point Q, beam length, and section AB. This program utilizes Python for numerical calculation and data processing.
Hi, I am AMNI binti AHMAD KAMAL with a metric number SL210046. So now I will explain and guide on how to use our product to determine the reaction force RA and RP with 12 steps in total by using our program, which is easy to handle. So after scanning and understanding the question given, which is stated to solve and prove the value of reaction at support A and B and the value of the internal shear force at point Q, then the first easy step is just you need to open the Jupyter notebook to launch the Python program. Thus, the second step is just you need to click the selected file link to start the coding of our program to prove the calculation through the Python.
Step number 3 is you have to input your value of L, L1, X, P, and I. This value is already given in the question.
Alright, for the next step is easy too. So after entering all the parameters values, for the correctness, you will verify the inputs for L and L1. This is because the code compares L and L1 values. If L is less than or equal to L1, the portion of interest is outside of the beam length. Thus, the code will urge you to re-enter the new value in this case, indicating that an error has occurred. As a result, you have to enter a new value for L that is greater than L1. Afterwards, the next step is you have to continue by your selection option, which is option 1, which is to calculate the reaction force RA and RB. And the code will calculate the reaction force at support A and the reaction force at support B using the provided formulas.
After we select the option 1, we get the result for our reaction force, which is RAY is negative 20 kN and RBY is 20 kN. After we get result for the reaction force, then we have to choose the option 2, which is to calculate the internal shear force.
If we enter 2, it will show up the internal shear force at point Q. But there is a condition where the I value must be smaller than the L1 value. If let's say we enter the I value bigger than L1 value, it will show up invalid and ask to correct the value back. If option 3 is chosen by the user, it will be back to the main menu. It will ask the values of L, L1, X, P, I to run the program. In the program, if option 4 is selected by the user, it will be show up the command that end of the calculation.
In summary, Python software created with flexibility and portability in mind operates to the various platform and system, allowing civil engineers to work their preferred configuration. So the Python's coding find application in civil engineering tasks such as determining flexural reinforcement in slab. So the goals is to assist other and simplify the work of civil engineers are accepted. That's all from us. Thank you.